Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss another method of Python, which is POW. So POW method is mainly used to calculate the power of the input number. Okay, so there are multiple scenarios where we can utilize this POW method. So let's see one by one each scenario. So you can see that in first here for the first scenario, we are storing the number as we are using the number 2 and 3 as an argument for POW method. So what it will do, it will calculate the 2 power 2 power raised to the 3. So what would be the output here? It would be the 8. So let's verify the same using program output. So I'm writing python space session 46.py and enter. So here you can see it returns the value as 8 because 2 to the power 3 is 8. Okay, similarly if you would like to perform the same thing but without this POW method, in that case you can use this star star. It is also meaning it also works in the same manner, and you can see output is 8 here also because it is considered as an exponent. Now we can see at the third scenario, here we are passing the value as 2 and second argument is -2. So accordingly it will calculate the power value, which is 0.125. In fourth scenario, we can provide the value in decimal point as well. So you can see the POW argument is 2 comma 0.5. So it will calculate the 2 to the power raised to 0.5, and accordingly the value comes like this. Now for the fifth scenario, we are passing three arguments. So if you hover on your method POW, so it will show that first argument is base, second is exponent, and third is mod. So what it will do, it will calculate the power to 2 power is to the 3, and then whatever the output comes, it will divide it by 5 and provide the modulus value. So this is the modulus value of this calculation. Okay, so yeah, these are the some scenario where we can utilize POW method in order to calculate the power of the numbers. I hope the session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.